Yeah, I said I'm called Francis Sage, current alumni, member of ISEC Alumni Cameroon. I'm the owner of a bachelor degree in biochemistry. I joined ISEC in 2009 in ISEC in Yaoundé. I've been through several leadership positions, team leader, PD, RCP, and in 2012, 2013 I was project manager and in charge of GCDP incoming at MC Cameroon. Why did I join ISEC? I joined ISEC because I wanted to develop my managerial skills. Because my dream is to put in place or to be a business owner in the field of food industry. So for me to be able to run a company, I need to have managerial skills. And I was inspired by an OCP during the conference which I attended, and it gave me the opportunity to know about ISEC and later on to be recruited as ISEC member. So far, through my leadership positions, I had the opportunity to run projects, and in that project I had the opportunity to meet people, to develop my network, to develop my skills, to develop my competencies, to make friends all over in other countries, like in Nigeria, in Benin, in Senegal, in Togo, and so on. So far, actually I'm working with one other alumnus, and I'm in charge of programs, managing projects in OYE. OYE is an organization that is created in order to assist other organizations in developing their projects. Yeah. So if I'm able to do this today, it's thanks to ISEC, because I've not been in schools or in project management schools. All what I'm doing today is because of ISEC. So what I will motivate you, or I want to tell you today, is ISEC is a 50-50 principle. The more you give, the more you receive. The less you give, the less you receive. As I always said, ISEC is like an ocean. If you come with a little cup, you can just, and it's an ocean of opportunity. If you come with a little cup, you just have the quantity that cup can have. If you come with a bucket of 10 liters, you just have that quantity of opportunities. But if you are intelligent enough, if you are wise, if you are smart, the best you can do in order to benefit the full opportunities of ISEC is to do what we call in French irrigation. So you need to set away such a way the opportunities will be flowing, because once an ISECer, you are always an ISECer. I will stop here. I encourage you to, firstly, follow your leaders. Respect the authority, because if you don't respect the authority, you don't know where you are going. Okay? Also, get involved. ISEC is a lot of sacrifice in terms of money, in terms of time. Yeah, but let's be assured that if you sacrifice all those things, you will be winner. Okay? It won't be easy. It's true, we went through challenges, but with the ISEC way, with our elders, alumni, with our partners, BOAs and all this, we succeeded to go through the challenges we faced. So enjoy your conference. We always be there to help you. Do not hesitate to get in touch with us. And me particularly, if you want to learn about vocals, I'm available 100%, because during my ISEC experience, I was called VP